Hi, I'm Andrew Armstrong and welcome to the back office teardown lab. Now I do a little bit of running and today I did a spirited run and I was looking forward to getting my heart rate and cadence data from here. But alas, there was none. And these Garmin chest straps now, a bit sweaty, you can see it's a bit wet and sweaty. They are kind of waterproof because they don't like come apart like they used to. So this is all like one piece that stays together forever. So hopefully it won't wear out too much. So when you see this, there's no discernible way of removing it. It doesn't pop off like the old ones did. But if you remove that, there is a little wee plastic cover on it. And you can see the sensor there. So all you got to do to change the batteries, undo these screws. And be very careful, of course, because they are waterproof. And I think Garmin just made the decision to make them all the same kind of design and all waterproof because they were trying to sell their heart rate things for, you know, triathlon people. So you just have it on the whole time. Nobody wants to be taking these on and off during a race. And actually, there is a tiny bit of thread lock on those. So they are put in not to come out easily. And there you are. It's just a Panasonic CR2032, and I'm going to have a look at my box. Whoa! Very lucky indeed, because you can see I've just got the last one here. So I'm going to replace this Panasonic one with a Maxell one. How do we do this? So I can see there's two retaining doodads there. Actually, interesting enough, there's a keyway screw hole there too. You can see that one's actually protruding. But I digest. Right, so the battery just seemed to pop out quite easy. There's a tiny bit of like, looks like a grease on there. New one in. I'm guessing that's all you have to do, really. There's not much there. Smells a bit sweaty, to be fair. Probably worth chucking it in the washing machine. But take care though when you put this on. Let's have a look at that seal. So you've got this orange seal there. If that's any way, shape or form damaged, probably best speak to Garmin for a new one. And if they say they don't have a seal, go to Poundland or one of those places and you can get a big like container full of loads of different size gaskets. I know they're going to be black gaskets, but you should be able to find, or O-rings rather, you should be able to find an O-ring that's going to replace that one. Okay. So that was our protruding one. It's odd why they've got that. I don't know why the cover's keyed in that way, but maybe it's... Yeah, there we go. Just so the Garmin logo pops up the right way. Now I'm being a bit cautious here. I don't have a means of measuring the torque, so I'm just doing it by hand, but it would be easy to over torque these, and the last thing you want to do is pull the metal insert out of the plastic body, because that will be a bad day for you. And that should be that. I don't think you'll even have to repair it to your phone, to be honest with you. This seems to go on either way. There's actually a cutout here. You can see there's a little notch there and a notch there. That's a notch for that screw. Specifically for that screw. Done. Done for another like couple of years, I should think. As ever, thanks for watching.